Ay. Hina ng net kasi. Na-play ko ito guys, magdamag. Overnight, kahapon, then overnight. Katatapos lang na ngayon. Yan to all my members and super chatters. I will play your video guys once a week. Ayan kasi po, hindi natin kaya ng araw-araw. This is one of my this is what will I do to my members and super chatters. I will play your video guys once a week. Ayan, Midnight Online. I played her live stream for her watch hour. Kaya live stream po ang pinlay ko sa kanya because she needs watch hour here in Midnight Online channel. Thank you so much guys for the support and trust to Black Beauty Official Ka Beauty members and super chatters. Thank you so much.